So today it's load testing to see if the suspended slab that's underneath here can handle the wall that's been put up. We did calculate the weight of the wall, and there's cement underneath the bath as well, sand and cement. So that plus the weight that's actually going to be in the bath when it fills up with water. So if it's 200 liters of water, that's another 200 kilograms. And so we are testing now to see if the slab will be good with all the required weight bearing on to it. So we're filling up the bath with the hose pipe, so that's nice and quiet. It's submerged underneath the water, so you don't hear any water. And if there's any cracks occurring from the weight being too much for the slab to hold, you should hear the cracks.